Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to mark all as read on Yahoo Mail. If you want to mark all of your inbox as read on Yahoo Mail, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open Yahoo Mail application and log into your account. You can also log in on a web browser by going to yahoo.com and signing in. After you end up in your inbox page, tap on the checkbox above your message list at the top left. This will then select the messages from this page. You can also further select other messages you would like to mark as read by tapping on the circle that has been divided in months. Go ahead and select as more as the checkboxes you can, and the amount of checkboxes that has been selected has been displayed at the top left. Once you are done selecting, you can also select all of the messages by tapping on select all at the top right, and after you are done with the selection, tap on mark as read at the bottom of the screen. Confirm by tapping on mark as read in the text box one more time, and you will be able to mark emails as read at once on Yahoo Mail. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.